what's the relationship between you and this festival?
Our son, Jeremy Pion-Berlin, has a film, Failure to Protect, about the child welfare system and how it treats people, parents, children, and youth in this country.
Wonderful. I look forward to see it. Now, we were talking about earlier UBI. So you are a social worker, PhD.
Yes.
So how do you feel when people say, when you give people free money, they're going to be lazy? They're not going to,
There's no proof to that. The science has shown that giving people even $200 a month has raised their standard of living, and that people use it wisely. And that this idea that in this country that we're just going to judge people and not provide is ridiculous, and is not done all over Europe. So we're way behind. We like to punish, we like to blame, and we like to compete. And all that means we are not number one. America thinks they're number one, but they're not. And they are ruining the moral fiber of the generations. So we have public assistance programs, TANF, SNAP, you name it, but it keeps people below the poverty line. And if you go out and get any part-time job to better yourself, save up money so you can live in a safer neighborhood, access better food, you're punished. And then we take it away from you. So we don't even provide services that bring people above the poverty line. We keep people poor to control people, and it's mostly people of color that we're trying to control in this country. We have a moralistic, idealistic view of people. I mean, healthcare is a business in this country. People profit off the illness of people. We hold back services and people die. I mean, people talked about people of color being at more risk for COVID because the healthcare system sucks and doesn't provide access to preventative care unless you have, and if you in this state or anywhere in this country use Medicaid, you're on a waiting list for months to see a specialist. You're on a waiting list. People are like, oh, well, they have health insurance. They have crappy health insurance and limited access to specialists. There's a whole expose in the LA Times about LA County, this county.